Oh, back to the camera.
Right?
Scared me. Okay, here we go.
What are we doing? Oh, yeah. I'm conversating about our bracket. So here's our AC compressor bracket. Very pretty, very nice. Very demure, very thoughtful, or whatever the children are saying these days. And here is our power steering bracket. Woo! So this and this goes behind the power steering bracket. And this goes behind the power steering bracket. Now, because this is an aftermarket manifold, it sticks out a RCH. If you don't know what that is, kids, Google it. Scotty, why are you playing with your nipples while I'm trying to...
That's over here. I'm here.
Well, you're old and they're saggy, so they do this. Anyway. Woo! I've been on one today.
Bob's showing a good one?
Oh, yeah. So, this goes here. This is supposed to line up to here, but because this manifold is aftermarket, it's a hair taller, shifted this bracket up. Not a big deal. This is a support for when you have the vacuum pump and air injection pump, not vacuum pump, and all that nonsense. Well, we don't need that, so we probably don't need this brace because part of this bracket isn't even going to be used. It's just going to be this and the alternator bracket and bada boom, bada bing. So, first order of business is I want to take and unbolt this and get spacers behind here to space it out for this thickness. Then we know how much room we have back here, which will probably be the same thickness as this because it's the same thickness of material, as you can see. So, we're gonna then line this up, see where this touches, and do just a little notchy. We're not gonna cut out completely, but we are going to take and maybe trim that down and shave it where we need to, just so it clears our manifold.
Something, if you look at his face, he's not used to doing, trimming and shaving.
You should see my back. Anyway. No, I've just had a lot of other things going on now, so like getting a haircut and being pretty doesn't matter. I'm sorry I'm not pretty for you, Scotty. Anyway. All right, so we're going to pull this off. I'm going to set this up here and just eyeball it. Figure out where we need to mark our whatever. Go back, trace it. Go in there probably with the Dremel or like a burr and just get it nice.
Do that again?
Ladies, I'm sure that's the sound your toy makes. Woo! I've been deep today. Anyway, we're gonna get that on there, get that figured out, get that so we seat and we're good. And then that will align with that, and then this baby can go, and then we can do our power steering.
How is it gonna go?
Pop goes the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel and the weasel go pop. Anyway.
And who sings that? Not you?
Be in the moment. Focus.
Yeah.
Engine.
Focus, engine. Sorry, he gave me trivia. So, get that off, get that handled, done deal. Get our spacing here done, get it trimmed, get it nice and flush. Beautiful, tomato, tomato. Put this on. Then I can put our compressor, can line that up. We can get our power steering lined up. Get our alternator bracket sort of lined up, but our alternator will probably be here next week. It's going to be on the invoice for this week. We found a nice one wire. We're going to talk about that later. It's going to be a nice, it's a very nice, mwah. So, yeah, what Burnsy said. Exactly. So, that's where we're at.
What do we say?
It's bright out here, that's why I want eyes closed.
What do we say?
Juices, guys.